Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you a real quick and easy, very simple air fried salmon. So my air fryer has been lovely, and if you guys want to know what kind of air fryer I'm using, I'll leave the link down below. It's pretty affordable on Amazon, but yeah, so I'm going to show you how I air fried salmon, because you guys has been asking me a lot of questions how I air fried my salmon, and it will probably be one of the quickest and easiest protein that you've ever seen prepared. It's nothing fussy, and salmon is very easy to cook. So stick and stay, and I'll get right into it right now. So as you guys can see right here, I have my salmon with the skin on it, which I do not like to cook my salmon with the skin. You can keep your skin on if you wish, but I don't like to cook my salmon with my skin on, so I'm going to go ahead and peel the skin off. And salmon is very fragile, so you have to be gentle with it when you're taking off the skin. Go as slow as possible if you have to, in order not to mash your salmon or crush your salmon up too much. But that's what I'm doing here. If you guys can see, I just pull one side apart and work my way gently with my knife until I take off all the skin off of the salmon. And then I'm just going to toss that into the bin. Now I wash my salmon, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it into half. And there you guys have it. I have 2 pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the other piece of salmon, the same technique that I just did this one before earlier. I'm now going to go ahead and add some salt. You can use whatever salt that you choose, but in this video I'll be using a little pink salt. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt on each piece of the salmon. And then I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Listen, I use my all-purpose seasoning on almost everything, but yet you still get a different taste depends on what you're cooking. So I'm going to gently put a little bit of, just a pinch of all-purpose seasoning on each piece of salmon, and then I'm just turning them over. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my air fryer. Now on the air fryer menu you have the fish menu, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the fish menu and let it preheat. After preheating is done for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to put my pieces of salmon in, which I'm only going to put 2 pieces. And if you realize that I'm putting it on the side that I took the skin off, I always like to cook that side down first and have the smoother part of the salmon up, and I put it on 10 minutes. After 5 minutes I took it out, and then I'm going to gently turn my salmon. Salmon is very fragile, very delicate, so you want to take your time when you're handling salmon. Don't squeeze it too much, because it will just simply fall apart. So I turn the first piece and I'm turning the second piece. Now I get the skin side up, which is going to finish things off with a final 5 minutes. After 4 minutes in, I took it out, and my salmon is basically finished. You have nothing else to do but to go ahead and take your salmon out of your air fryer and enjoy them. As you guys can see, the salmon look pretty juicy. You need to add no oil, because salmon is high in healthy fat, so you need to add no oil at all to your salmon. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know how you like it when you try it.